Hi friends, welcome to Prasara. So in this video I'm going to show you what all we'll be covering in our classes. So cut work, hanging beads, coin work and thread work, advanced stitches, ribbon work, and you can see cut work different varieties. Zardosi work itself we have 50 plus stitches in basic and advanced. Then we have the chumki work, braided stitches work, small buttas, and how to attach beads on beads and chumki on beads. And then you have the coin work, and you have the different kind of shading methods like two colors using three colors and peacock feathers, border stitches, and you have combination of stitches like beads and chumkis, zardosi. Then you have simple thread stitches to advanced thread stitches varieties, mirror work, boolean roses, and you have ring knot, flowers, and mango designs, flower designs, leaf designs using zardosi, beads, chumki, and everything together, and ribbon work. Apart from this, you have painting and embroidery, fusion, brooch work, and everything will be covered from basic to advanced. And this is just a sample of all that we have done in our classes for the students. So we have both online and offline classes, and if you are in Bangalore you can join our offline classes, and from any part of the world you are watching this video you can still join our online classes. So not only just the stitches and the designing part, we also cover the tracing techniques. So where from basic, any if it is a simple design or a heavy bridal design, how to completely trace the design for the neck and the sleeves. We'll be covering all the techniques, the professional method like the boutique method, which method we follow in our boutique. So the same method will be taught to you without any printout or any thing, easily from home without spending a rupee. How to easily trace a design from basic to advanced, everything will be covered in this course. So only people will be afraid that they are not good in drawing or they don't know how to mark the measurements, they don't have tailoring knowledge, they are afraid to join this course. But in this course it's a complete beginner friendly. Even though you don't know tailoring or drawing, you can still join this course. And you can see in this video how I'm using the bridal designs. The same techniques will be taught to you, and you will also be able to trace the design very easily, and with all the techniques and tips whichever I am covering in the course. Using that, not only just the flower and leaf designs, I'll also be covering the bridal designs like the palak designs, and with the peacock and parrot, all the figures, human figures or the bird figures. So all those techniques will also be covered easily. How to resize the images, then you have to set the images on the full sleeve or the neck portion, how you need to set the designs. So easy techniques, all the easy techniques will be taught to you. So without even any drawing knowledge or the tailoring knowledge, you can still easily trace a heavier design, and you can apply the stitches in the design. So I'll also be covering what all stitches you can apply in the design, and I'll be giving ideas on the color combination of materials, how you need to choose according to the saree color combination, and what are the materials you can use for which kind of blouses. For simple blouses, what kind of materials and stitches you can use. For heavy blouses, what kind of materials and stitches you can use. And combining of 2-3 pictures all together to set one bridal design, because customers will come with a lot of pictures together. They wanted to combine all the designs in one blouse. So all that will be taught to you, how to set the designs and how you need to charge the price. Like fixing the price is very important. So I'll also be covering all those techniques in business perspective. If you are planning to start a business in 2025, like boutique business, and from home or without any investment, or if you're planning to set up a shop and run, still you can join this course. It will basics, those who know and wanted to upgrade their knowledge in this field, you can join this course. It will be very beginner friendly. So anybody who doesn't have even a basic knowledge can still join this course and learn complete techniques of tracing technique and designing technique, and all the stitches from basic to advanced, along with professional business training. So this will be a 3 months course, and if anybody interested to join this course, contact the number on the screen, and a flat 50% off is available till January. And you can avail the offer in my website prasara.com using the coupon code new year 2025. Do not miss this offer, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.